Math World Suni.
Hello everyone, today we are going to do the conversion of radian measure to degree measure. So this is exercise questions from trigonometry. This is exercise 3.1 question number 2. Find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. First question 11 by 16. So to convert this radian measure to degree measure, we need the formula, and the formula is degree measure is equal to 180 by pi into radian measure. Degree measure is equal to 180 by pi into radian measure. Now just to substitute the given value and simplify it. Given value is 11 by 16. Therefore, degree measure is equal to 180 by pi into 11 by 16. Now in the question it is given that use pi is equal to 22 by 7. So substitute 22 by 7, 180 divided by 22 by 7 means it will goes to the numerator into 7 into 11 by 16. That's equal to 22 and 11 cancel it. 11 and 22 2 times. So 180, then 180 and 16 we can divide by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 180 divided by 4 means 4. Then 20 means 5. 45. Now just multiply here. 45 into 7 is 315. 315 by 4 2s are 8. So this is a fraction. So this is a 315 by 8 degree measure. So usually we will not represent degree measure as a fraction. So we'll divide this 315 by 8 and we'll find the quotient and the remainder. If this 315 is completely divisible by 8, then that quotient will be our final answer. That will be the degree measure. If there is any remainder or if it is not completely divisible, then we will write the answer in terms of mixed number. So here when we are dividing, we will get 39 as a quotient and 3 as a remainder. So we can write this as 315 by 8 means 39 and 3 is a remainder. So 3 by 8 degree. So we can write it as 39 degree and 3 by 8 degree. Now give this degree separately. So that's equal to 39 degree and 3 by 8 degree. Now this 3 by 8 degree means it is a fraction less than 1. We have 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So 3 by 8 degree means we can multiply by 60 and we can convert this to minutes. 39 degree into 3 into 60 by 8 minute. Now this is in minute. That's equal to 39 degree into 3 into 60. 60 and 8 both are divisible by 4. So we can cancel and reduce this term. So 60 means divided by 4 15. 80 divided by 4 is 2. So 3 into 15 is 45. 45 by 2 minute. Now divide 45 by 2 and find the quotient and remainder. If it is completely divisible by this denominator, then we can stop there. If it is not divisible, then we will write it as a mixed fraction. Here 45 divided by 2 means we'll get 22 as a quotient and 1 as a remainder. So we can write it as 22, then 1 by 2, 22 and a half, then minutes. So this is in minutes now, 22 and a half minutes. That means we can write it as 39 degree, 22 minutes, then half minutes. 22 minutes and half minutes. This half minute means it is less than 1. So we'll convert this minute in terms of seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So what will be half minute? Half minute will be equal to 30 seconds, right? So we'll substitute here 30 seconds. 39 degree, 22 minute and half minute means it is 30 seconds. So 30 seconds. So this will be the final answer. 39 degree, 22 minute and 30 seconds. If instead of this half minute, if it is any other fraction, you can just multiply it by 60 and you can convert into seconds. Question number 2, -4. Use the same formula. Degree measure is equal to 180 by pi into radian measure. Therefore, degree measure is equal to 180 by pi into Given radian measure is -4, so -4. Use pi as 22 by 7. That's equal to 180 by 22 by 7 means into 7 into 4. Now cancel 4 divided by 2, 2. 22 by 2 means 11. Now nothing to cancel, so that's equal to 18 into 14 means 252, then 0 divided by 11. Give the sign, negative sign. So that's equal to negative of 2520 by 11 degree. Now divide this 2520 by 11 divided by 11. So 2 times 22, then 3, 32, again 2 times 22, 0, 1, 0, 100. So 9, 99, remainder is 1. So we can write this number as it's equal to 229, negative of 229, 1 degree and 1 by 11 degree. Now 1 by 11 degree means it is a fraction. Again we can convert this degree to minute. We have 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. That's equal to negative of 229 degree plus 1 by 11 into 60 minutes. Now divide the 60 by 11. 60 by 11 means 5 times. Remainder will be 5. So we'll write this as 5. Remainder is 5. So 5 by 11 minutes. That means 5 minute and 5 by 11 minute. That's equal to negative of 229 degree plus 5 minute and 5 by 11 minute. Now again convert this minute to seconds. Just multiply it by 60. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 5 by 11 minute means multiply it by 60. So that's equal to negative of 229 degree plus 5 minute plus 5 by 11 into 60 seconds. Again divide this fraction and find the quotient. So that's equal to 5 into 60 means that it is 300. 300 divided by 11. Just to divide and find the quotient. 300 divided by 11. So in 30, 2 times 22, remainder is 8. So 80, 7 times 77, remainder is 3. So now we got the remainder 3. Just stop it here. Negative 229 degree plus 5 minute plus 27 is the quotient. 27, 3 by 11 seconds. So the final answer will be approximately negative 229 degree plus 5 minute plus 27 seconds. Therefore the answer is negative 229 degree 5 minute and 27 seconds. Third question, 5 pi by 3. Use the same formula. Degree measure is equal to 180 by pi into given measure is 5 pi by 3. So into 5 pi by 3. Now cancel the terms. So pi and pi we can cancel. 180 by 3 means 60. So 60 into 5 means 300. So 300 degree is the answer. Question number 4. 7 pi by 6. Use the same equation. Degree measure is equal to 180 by pi into 7 pi by 6. Now cancel the terms. Pi and pi will get cancelled. Now 180 divided by 6 means 18 3 times. So 30 into 7 means 210. 210 degree is the degree measure.